Hey guys, so this is day one of my new Scott's 15 horsepower Kohler engine, 42 wide with cruise control. I got this for free barn find. Got it yesterday. Tires were all off bead. I managed to get 3 on bead, including this one, but this one has such a bad dry rotted cracked tire that was sitting, that was where the crease was, you know, so air just pours out of here. It's sort of on the bead now, but it's coming off, you know. I might just go and put a tube in there. Anyway, I charged the battery overnight. Don't know if it works well. This thing needs to get over, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna take apart that cowling there later and clean it all up. Blow it out with a blower because there's a lot of leaves and crap in there, and maybe we'll find a rat's nest. I'm gonna check the oil, clean this up a little bit, you know, just so I can start working on it without having leaves and crap all over the place. Looking in there, you could tell that it's been outside in the rain because it's all rusted and stuff, you know. Might have to grease that up a little. Anyway, so like I said, I charged it overnight. I got my multimeter here to see if it holds a charge. Take a look. All right, well that's good. That's a good sign that because that's enough to start an engine, you know. Anything over 12.4 or something like that is good to start, you know. But let's give it a try actually. I want to see if the solenoid and the starter is good. Oh, it turns a little. Okay, so if it turns a little, what does that mean? That means that starter's good, solenoid's good, ignition switch is good. But there's so much crap in there, I'm sure, that's preventing it from, you know, having a smooth crank. I should have checked the oil too, because oil really helps it out. And the air filter. Well, like I said, I'm going to go over this later. So I just removed the side front panels and the top air induction, the top cover, and I was looking for a rat's nest. Guess what? I am so surprised. This thing was sitting outside in a barn with horses around, you know, and there's no rat's nest. Stunned. I mean, it's yucky, but I don't see a rat's nest in here. Kind of looks like there was, you know what I'm saying? Has a lot of this crap in it. But maybe the guy blew it out. Which is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to blow all this out with my leaf blower. Just to make it clean. Can't lose those bolts. I have to put these bolts back in the hole. While you're here, may as well clean off some stuff. Get a wired bristle brush, clean off the magnet. A better magnet means better spark. because you got no rust that's preventing the magneto from creating a better spark. If you're anal, which I'm not that much, but kind of, you could take the magneto off and brush the sides there, but can't reach that. No, that'll be good. Turns pretty freely until the compression stroke right there. But look, if you can turn it like this, it's pretty good. I'm gonna put some gas in it, man, and see if I can start it. So I just tried to start it, and it actually started a little, you know, and then it stalled, and then the battery wouldn't start it again. So I've got this little thing. I just bought this on eBay for like 40 bucks. My friend has something similar to this that he got at Costco. And it comes with these, you know, jumper cables. And apparently, you know, when he first used it, I'm like, that's not going to start a tractor. There's no way. Boom, started it up. So I had to get one. I'm going to try it out right now, you know. So it just hooks up like that. That little thing, size of a big cell phone. I mean, I'm skeptical and stuff, but, you know, we'll see what happens. Like that, huh? Holy cow. Burning off a little excess oil there. Hasn't been used in a while, I gather. And it actually idled really well, you know. I think there was some time that it sort of hesitated, and I'm thinking that fuel filter's been, you know, there for a while, you know, and I'll change the fuel filter and remove the carburetor. It's not too tough, and clean it, you know. Definitely needs a cleaning. So I'm really stoked, man. I can't believe this thing started up, you know what I'm saying? After, well, it seems like a long time, but that's a score, man, for me to do such minimal stuff to it and for it to start like that. Really fantastic, you know. Anyway, more to come. Man, look at this. I just spent about a half an hour power washing it. Man, look at that. Is that insane? Amazing how it looks after a power wash. World of difference, man. Look at the seats. The seat looks brand new. I even did the undercarriage bit, you know. Crazy. Gotta get yourself a power washer. Fantastic. So clean now. Man, that saved me a lot of work, man. Just hope it still starts. Anyway, I noticed inside the carburetor it was full of gas, so I don't think the needle is seating properly. I might have to do a carb rebuild like I planned on doing anyway, but I have a feeling I might need to reseat that and just see what the story is. It could be really dirty, but not sure. We'll see when I tear it apart. But man, look at this. Looks fantastic, doesn't it, guys? So I just took the carburetor apart. There it is. It's a little dirty, but it's not terrible. But see the sediment in there? That has something to do with why it wasn't seating, because some debris may have gotten in place of the needle and compromised the seal. So that's definitely not good. I mean, it could be. I hope it is, because it's an easy fix. I don't want to have to go and buy a new carb, you know? So I'm going to go check out the needle now. So, took it apart, including the fuel mixture nut, screw. I'm going to blow into that hole. And if you look at this needle here, focus. Focus. Anyway guys, that needle is wilted, see? It's in bad shape. I'm gonna have to find another needle, and if I can get a gasket, you know, sometimes those Chinese gaskets, they don't work well. So sometimes the original gasket, if it didn't leak, I'm gonna put it back on there. But I'm gonna find some parts. So I had a spare Marlboro Kohler carburetor from another John Deere that I had, and I used its needle. I just hooked it up real quick just to see if it leaks, and there's no leaks. So the needle looks like it's working, and while I'm at it, I had came with a couple of spare gaskets. I need to fix that one. This one's in half, see? That one's busted. Oh, cool. I'll put this back together again. So I pretty much rebuilt the carburetor. I took the clamp off, so now it's free-flowing fuel, and so far it's not leaking. However, I haven't had good luck with Kohler carburetors. This is actually Marlboro for Kohler. You know, they tend to leak a lot, you know? I don't like it. But, I mean, it's a little wet there. I'm thinking it might be the gasket, you know? I'm trying to think whether or not I should replace the gasket. Maybe I should. Looks like it's kind of leaking a little. Pain in the ass, I swear. So I put that back, and you know, a little bit, but not dripping. I mean, not gushing out like before. But I'm gonna give it a try. Put the cowling back on. So I put everything back. Carburetor leaks a little, a few drops here and there. I'm not gonna worry about it too much right now. But man, look at that, man. Clean. Just gotta fix that tire, you know. I ordered a tube. None of that foam stuff anymore. Doesn't really work right. I put this side on because I know I might have to be on that other side to fix the carb again. How about it, man? Looks good, right? Best part of this? Free. That's right, free. I'm gonna let's try to start it now. Runs like a dream. So we power washed it, cleaned the carb, and put some bolts in the hood area where they were loose. Got Gotta get a new battery, maybe fix that carburetor leak. Man, it's a great find, man. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.